Hello guys, my name is Chanu SK, SAP FICO, S4 HANA Finance and CACMA trainer. Today I am going to discuss about account based COPA versus costing based COPA class 3 by Chanu SK profitability analysis controlling module. Free lectures for my YouTube subscribers in English. If you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. Last time I clearly explained what is the difference between characteristics and value fields. Today's topic is the difference between account based COPA and costing based COPA. So COPA means profitability analysis. It is one of the important tool to evaluate the company's profits or contribution margin. Contribution is just like sales minus variable cost. We will get the contribution, and based on this market segments we need to analyze the COPA. So we need to analyze the profitability of the particular organization based on the market segments. So market segments can be classified as products, customers, orders, or any of these two, or also we can consider strategic business units such as sales organization or business area. We need to analyze the COPA reporting based on the products or based on the customers or based on the sales organization or based on the business area. So by using these reports we can analyze the company's profitability analysis, and based on that the management will take corrective action and they will take decision making analysis. So here there are two forms of profitability analysis that we can see over here. The first one is account based COPA and second one is costing based COPA. So generally account based COPA is very relevant to cost and revenue accounts. That means profitability analysis stores cost and revenues in accounts and uses cost and revenue elements only. But in case of costing based COPA, generally this COPA profitability analysis groups cost and revenues according to the value fields and costing based valuation approaches, and this will helpful to taking short term profitability reports. So here you can see this is one slide that would helpful to know clearly what exactly meant by account based COPA and costing based COPA. So this is a costing based approach, and this is account based approach, and this one is costing based approach. So cost and revenue elements will be considered in account based COPA. Value fields and group of cost and revenue should be considered in the costing based COPA. So revenues and sales deductions, cost of sales, price differences, R&D, marketing, sales and administration, or these are all things will be covered under the account based COPA. And you can see in the costing based COPA, so more like variable material cost and variable production cost, production variances and material overheads and production overheads, R&D, these are all costing based COPA. Like value fields and group of cost and revenue should be considered in the costing based COPA. So the differences we can see in this slide in very detail. So account based COPA and costing based COPA. So account based COPA generally uses cost and revenue elements, and costing based PA uses value fields to group cost and revenue elements. That is the difference between the account based PA and costing based PA. PA means profitability analysis. There is no reconciliation issues will be happened at the time of delivery and billing in the account based COPA, but here reconciliations will be happened at the time of delivery and billing because of time lag. So in the delivery, COGS is updated immediately in FI but not in COPA. But in case of billing, during billing COPA is updated with COGS and revenue entry. And due to these reasons, reconciliations issues will be arose. So the time lag between the delivery and billing, so COGS is main important aspects. Because of this, so reconciliation issues will be happened at the time of costing based COPA, but not in the account based COPA. There is no reconciliation issues in the account based COPA. So here incoming sales order data cannot be mapped in the account based COPA. There is no special conditions for this in case of account based COPA, but in case of costing based COPA, so it's optional, and the incoming sales order data whose delivery for a period is not yet taken place would be transferred through SD conditions and to analyze the anticipated sales. So generally we need to set up some SD conditions to data flow from SD module to COPA. So this is these configurations we can also do in the real time. And you can see cost can be splitting cost we can split into costing based COPA, but in case of account based COPA, cost to component split is not at all possible. But in case of costing based COPA, COGS can be split into cost components. Variance analysis not possible in the account based COPA. Variance analysis 100% possible in costing based COPA. So how we get variance? Variance is just like a budget minus actuals, we get variance. This is not possible in the variance account based COPA, and in case of costing based COPA, variance analysis is also possible. And in case of account based COPA, these are all tables will be used in the account based COPA, but here some of the tables has been mentioned. This table should be used in the costing based COPA. So COGS means actual data, COEP means planned data. This is the tables that we can see in the SAP screen, and COEG is the actual cost, and COE is the planned one, and COSS is the segment level, and here CE into this is just like XX given. This is operating concern. XX means operating concern, and CE1 into operating concern, CE2 into operating concern, CE3 into operating concern, CE4 operating concern. CE1 operating concern, that means actual line item table and planned line item table and segment level and segment table. These are all tables should be used in the costing based COPA. CE1 operating concern, CE2 operating concern, CE3 operating concern, and this is COEG actual line item table, and COEP is planned line item table, and COSS or COSP just like segment level. Okay, so incoming sales order data whose delivery for a period is not yet taken place would be transferred to SD conditions type and to analyze the anticipated sales with record date. Incoming sales order data cannot be mapped in account based COPA. So this was given in COPA module. So thank you very much guys watching this video. Please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for your support.